Before installation, the walls should be leveled and primed. Next, we come to the marking of walls. We make holes by countersink in the panels, at the same time the chamfers for embedding screws' caps. When the holes are ready, we proceed to mounting and start from the bottom left corner. After leaning the panel, we do marks on the wall. For the holes in the concrete wall, we use a drill. In the prepared holes, we install the dowels. For mounting the panels on a gypsum board or on a foam block, we use the driver dowels instead of plastic dowels. To prepare the smoothing compound, we use a mixer. For application and distribution of the smoothing compound, we use a flat or a toothed trowel. We evenly distribute the putty on the surface. We fix the first panel by screws to the pre-prepared holes. Thanks to recesses and rigidity ribs on the back side, the panel, while joining the side faces, can be safely pulled by screws, without fear that it will crack like an ordinary panel with a flat backdrop. The excess of glue will be distributed on cells that will create additional adhesion. The perfect matching of Artpole panels provides a monolithic composition. Using the plastic spatula, we remove excesses of smoothing compound between the panels, and we use it to zap the recessed screws' caps. Similarly, we install the following panels on the wall. We came to the opposite corner of the wall. It is necessary to measure the remaining distance and to cut the panel of necessary size with a hacksaw with a fine tooth. Once all the panels are mounted, we proceed to zap the seams with the same smoothing compound. We recommend that you pay particular attention to the process of seams zapping, as this has a major impact on the quality and solidity of the composition. After drying of the putty, we proceed to seams grinding. We use for it a large sandpaper. Try to use a bright backlight for the quality control of grinding. If not follow installation instructions provided by Artpole, or if use non-recommended materials and panels, you risk to get non-quality results. For finishing the seams, we use the finishing putty sheetrock. It will allow to achieve a perfectly flat surface and close all the irregularities up to 1 mm. After the complete drying of the putty, we proceed to the finish seams grinding. We use a fine sandpaper. To control, we go on using the backlight. After the grinding, you need to remove gypsum dust from the panels. We prepare the paint for application by a spray gun. For painting, a roller can be used as well. Observing all the recommendations of our instruction, you will achieve the main goal, the monolithic composition.